Look at this. Akala mo fake, pero real siya. Real, pine tree. Ano lang siya, inisprayan lang siya ng ganyan. Kaya para may snow-snow. Pero tunay siya. Ang ganda! I wish I can take it home. Kasing tangkad mo ba, de? Kasing tangkad mo?
$100.
100? Wow. Yung maliit na yan, 300. Oh my gosh. Ang lalaki nito.
Grinch tree, oh.
Ano kaya yung trick? O kaya ganito na lang. Oh my gosh, it's cute. But you don't want to be a Grinch. There's another one there. Oh, look at that. So pretty.